Hello guys, today I know people want to switch to different coding languages other than Scratch. So I am going to be helping you. In Python this is actually Python turtle graphics. So here import turtle. This like imports a turtle. So this is basically like the green flag. Now this screen equals turtle screen. We gave the screen a name which will be screen. Now here the turtle screen and this just two brackets for some reason. Now set bg color which will be background color, screen light blue. You can put any color into this to set the background color to that. So now here my turtle dot turtle. Here my turtle is the turtle's name. Like this guy is sprite1. It's like that. Now turtle. This defines and creates an object that you can interact with. Turtle shape turtle. This is going to change the shape of the turtle. So like it's like costumes, shapes. Originally it will be an arrow. Now this is the color of your turtle, which has just for style. Move turtle forward is like move block. And here turn right is going to be like this. Turn left, turtle forward 100 again. Now turn left just turns it left. Like that. Pen up. This lifts the pen up. This moves the turtle forward again. Pen down. This puts the pen down. So it will draw again. It's basically like the tail. The turtle circle. This will create a circle. Now this we have to define this 50. So you can put radius hashtag radius 50 turtle done, which stops the project. Now that we have learned this simple thing, we can go and make something with Python. So let's open up turtle Python turtle. I want a link. Yeah. This is a start. How about I go to Google? Python link. Python turtle link. Turtle. Yeah, Python turtle org. Oh my god. Python sandbox. Python sandbox turtle. This is the what we are going to be doing. So now let's import turtle. Now let's give it a name. Let's say T. The turtle will be T. Now to define it, we just put turtle dot turtle and brackets for some reason. Now this will add an invisible turtle. Now my turtle shape. Since this turtle's name is T, Instead of my turtle, put T dot shape equals turtle. That's a turtle. Now here we want to make a square. Move, no, T dot forward. Now this will be the input, which will be 90 or like 50 pixels. This starts pointing in direction 90, aka 180 in real life. We can make it point to a specific direction, which will be T dot set heading 0. In real life, it's going to point upwards. What? That is 0? I thought it was going to point to left. Whatever. Now enter T dot right. This will turn right. Now this will turn 90 degrees. Now here enter, no, backspace. We're going to add another line. For I in range, in range 4. For I in range 4. Now we have to move this forwards like that. Bad input on line 6. For I in. Huh. In for I range 4. That's bad input. Again. Huh. Turtle. For I in range. Okay, found out my mistake, which it's actually going to be this or what? Hmm? Just copy that. C dot control V. Hmm. Yeah, now that's how you make a square. Now the next shape, also the last thing, which will be T dot circle circle 50. Now we have to define 50, which will be hashtag radius 50. What? Now we can make it t dot t dot go to. Now first this will be the x. I will put a comma. Next will be the y, which will be negative 50. Bad input. Again. Yeah. Also, now here uh, pen up turtle python. Okay. Now control V. I said control V. Control C. Control V. You can start with pasting because you are going now here. Pen up. Now here enter t dot pen down. Now this remove what? Yeah, pen down pd. This doesn't need a attribute. What do you mean? Okay, so even if you miss a space or have a spelling mistake, you get invalid errors. Bye guys, that's it for today. You can also play around with this, like, yeah, bigger, but this is not centered. Hashtag A100. Hashtag A100. Does this work? Uh, A equals. It's not defined still. We'll talk about variables later. That's it. Also, this turtle. Our was T dot T done. This stops the project. It's like a stop all and T dot hide. I'm actually new to this also, that's why I'm googling it. So hide turtle and okay. This just hides it. Of course, you have no turtle, so it's gonna give an error. But that's it. Bye, guys.